Hey Samuel, Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support, and I understand that if you open the editor of the page, it looks different from what you see when you open the page itself. So I'm going to go ahead and preview this, and we're going to test this. So you see it's showing me the exact same thing on my own account. You see? Same thing you have here. This is a custom code. So it's showing me the exact same thing. So this might be a cache or cookie issue. So go ahead and clear your cache. It could also just be the custom code you have here. So in my own page, like I mentioned, it's showing me exactly what you have, so it's working fine. But you might want to, if it's not working for you after you clear your cache and your cookies, you might want to just delete this code here that you have and try it again so that you see if it works or not. Bye for now.